Yr adargleision yn chwarae o'r chwith i'r dde yn ei crysau glas arferol. Wilson! O, cyfle cynnar yn eliadau cynta i Jack Wilson. A'i beniad yn cael ei harbed yn dda gan Paul Harrison yn y gôl. Tafle tu fewn at Rhys. Pas dda gan Curtis Rhys i ddod o hyd i Alaric Jones. Henry Jones tu allan iddo. Bas ymlaen at Cisse. Cisse yn glir ar ei ymddangosiad cynta. Al-Haji Toure Cisse. Drwodd ar gôl, ond yr arbediad yn un pwysig. Clark a Marriott dros y gicrydd. Mae'n cael ei chrymanu mewn. Blaine Hudson! O, yn cyffwrdd i dalcyn ac yn hedfan heibio'r postyn. Yr agosau mae'r Seintiau wedi dod. Chwarae am y neddgar arferol gan y Seintiau. Williams braidd yn lwcus. Mae gan Clark. Ben Clark ergyd o bell. Arbediad da gan Idsi. Taran o ergyd gan Ben Clark. 20 oed sgoriodd yn y gêm agoriadol ar ddechrau tymor yn erbyn y dre newydd. Marriott. Ma'na Oedi a Jordan Williams sydd yn sgorio i'r Seintiau newydd. 2 funud tan yr hanner. Hwlffordd dim. Y Seintiau newydd 1. Cisse. At Henry Jones nôl at Cisse. Ac yn ymlaen at Lewis! O, dyna chi gyfle Cisse! A'r Seintiau yn clirio'n cyd chwarae hyfryd gan yr adargleision. Wilson yn croesi a Fawcett yr eilydd yn taflu'n at y bêl. A'r cyfle'n diflannu. Marriott a McManus dros y bêl! A Marriott sy'n taro'r bar. Oedd hi mewn safle gwych i chwaraewr trod chwith a Marriott yn cymryd y cyfrifoldeb. Bradford yn gofyn ei penderfyniad. Mae o dan bwysau fan hyn gan Mason Jones-Thomas. Patton yn erbyn McManus. McManus yn gryf, dim trosedd. McManus yn parhau i fynd. Ebe! O, am arbediad ragorol, gwirthiol gan Lee Idsi. McManus yn gryfach na Patton i groesod at Ebe ar y cyffyrddiad cynta, ond am arbediad.
Disappointing in terms of the result, but I thought we were outstanding today, in all fairness. Mike, we looked at the stats here now and the possession. You know, I think we've to come and control the game second half like I think we've done, and the chances fought, you know, I think it's our 8 to their 3. I think, and you know, when you contain in TNS to that, granted, you know, Idzi towards the end pull off a good save, but we're disappointed in the result. You know, we're positive about the performance.
That was your 10th game of the season if we include those European matches. It's quite a task, isn't it, to have played so many games in Europe and then the expectation of playing a whole season?
Yeah, I would agree. I mean, we only gave the players 2 weeks off in the off-season. I'm sure they weren't too happy about that, but they came in and they worked ever so hard. And I think we're on to maybe our 15th or 16th week of training and playing, as you say, with those games included. So, yeah, it has been tough, but listen, that's what we want. We wanted a good run in Europe. We did have that. We were disappointed not to go further. And look, we've got our goals that we want to achieve this year, and we want to try and do the best we can and try and improve on last season. And last season we come second and just missed out. So this season we want to come first. So the players understand that, they know that, and they've been working ever so hard to put in performances like today, which got us over the line in the end. So we're pleased with that.
Wayne Jones, you go on to Tuesday night where you go to Jenner Park to meet Barry Town. Will there be additions to the squad?
Yeah, we signed Danny Williams this morning. So we've secured his services now, which is pleasing for us for offensive reasons. But yeah, you know, other than that, we go on a tour then. Agreed will come in maybe out of the window in terms of a free agent. So there'll be a bit of movement over the next few weeks, and you know, let's just get today out of the way, I think.